Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Uphold. Let's begin. Uphold is a multi-asset digital money platform that allows you to trade and hold cryptocurrencies, precious metals, national currencies, and even US stocks all in one place. It's designed for people who want simplicity and diversity in managing their assets. With Uphold, you can instantly convert between different asset classes without needing to first sell into cash. For example, you can swap Bitcoin directly for gold or US dollars for Ethereum, saving time and extra fees. The platform offers a user-friendly app with transparent pricing, and everything is stored securely with strong encryption and compliance standards. Uphold also offers automatic recurring transactions, allowing you to dollar-cost average into your favorite assets. If you're looking for a flexible, all-in-one digital finance platform that goes beyond just crypto trading, Uphold is a powerful choice. That's it for this video. Thanks for